What's going on, my YouTube fans? And in this video I'm going to share with you how much money do YouTubers make per month. And at the same time I'm also going to show you a nifty little site that you can use in order to see how much money YouTubers actually make. Now, right about now, on the top left hand side of your screen there will be a notification if you would like to know how to make money on YouTube. I'm giving away an entire course for free. You can watch that video, which will give you access to the course. Now, at the same time, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I highly suggest you do so right about now and hit the notification bell as well. So I'm going to head over to my PC right now in order to do a screen share so that I can show you exactly what you can do in order to see how much money people are making on YouTube, as well as my own channel. Okay, now I want you to stay and watch this video right up until the end, because at the end of this channel, if you are camera shy and you don't want to make money on YouTube, but you would like some other sources, a couple of more sources in order for you to make money online, stay tuned, because at the end of this video I'm going to share with you another way how you can actually make money online. If you do not want to know how to make money on YouTube and you would rather use another source, stay tuned. We are back on my PC, and right about now is the right time for you to actually take this video and share it with friends and family. And the reason I'm saying that is because I want you to show them that there is something besides just a normal daily job. There's earning potential. There's potential within the world to express your own, to express yourself, to be yourself, to, just to live life in order to get out of the day-to-day slavery. Okay, so right about now is the time to share this video. After you've subscribed and hit the notification bell, share this video. And at the same time, if you want to know how to make money on YouTube, like I said, you can either click the notification bell, or what you can do is below this video right about now, just comment this video's title. How much money do YouTubers make per month? And then I will then go ahead and I will send you that video link. So once again, just comment the title. How much money do YouTubers make per month? Comment below and I will send you that link. So I don't want to keep this video going for too long, and let's get straight to it. So like I said, I'm going to share with you a nifty little site where you can see how much money YouTubers are actually making. So this site is called Social Blade. What you want to do is you want to open up Social Blade, click on Social Blade, and then we can actually go ahead and we can browse a couple of YouTubers' channels and see, what's the estimate of how much money they actually earn. So firstly, let's go to one of the highest paid YouTubers, if not the highest. I think there's another boy, a little boy who's earning more than him. So let's go to PewDiePie, or PewDiePie, however they say it. And what you then want to do is, let me just make sure everything is still recording 100%. Yes, it is. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to, on Social Blade, in the search bar here, you want to type the channel's name. So if you guys don't know who PewDiePie is, let me show you quickly. It's PewDiePie. This guy started his YouTube channel as a gaming channel. As you can see, he's got 102 million subscribers. Now, I don't want you to get discouraged, because once you start, yes, you're going to start, and it's basically brand new. If that's the route you want to go and you want to make money on YouTube, then everything, you got to crawl in life before you walk, before you start jogging and running. We all have to start somewhere. But this guy basically went viral because the way he created his videos is he literally fell off his chair, screamed, and all of that. And that's how he went viral. As you can see, he's got 102 million subscribers. Now, if I go, he's got 4,000 videos. If I select his channel, okay, so here's where the earnings start. So within the United States, okay, he is currently ranked #1 within the United States. Entertainment rank, he is #1. So here we go. Estimated, let's scroll down. So when you look at video views, this guy gets about 8.4 million views per day, every single day. Look here, 8 million, 9 million, 8 million. Okay, so if you look at daily averages, he earns between $2,200 to $34,000 per day, every single day. Now that is dollars. I'm based in South Africa. In South African rand, that is close to like 500,000 rand, if you take it to the max, per month. Okay, weekly averages, he earns between $15,000 to $241,000 per month. In South African rand, that is about 3 million to 4 million rands within South Africa.
Okay, within a month, this guy earns between $64,000 and $1 million per month, every single month. Okay, so in our money, it's closer to the 15 million rand mark here in South Africa. Now, I do want to tell you though, these earnings is an estimate, and I wouldn't say it's 100% accurate, because I know for a fact my channel, whatever I'm going to show you now, I'm going to show you what my channel makes as well. And it grows every single day. It just gets more and more and more. My money that I'm earning, it's increasing every single day. Now, I know for a fact that the money they're showing here and the money that I'm actually earning within my YouTube analytics and my Google AdSense, it's way more. It's like double, almost triple the amount than what it's showing right here. So this is an estimate. So this guy might be making even double what I'm showing you right now. So let's head over to my channel quickly. Then I'll show you a couple of other YouTubers as well to show you that whatever your niche may be, whether it be how-to videos, gaming is a very popular thing, entertainment, daily vlogging is also a very popular thing. I don't want to keep this video for too long. So let's search my channel quickly. As you can see, I've got about 65 uploads and I've got 2,100 and roughly 80 subscribers. So in my country, I'm ranked 2,400. And I can tell you now, I will be ranked #1 within South Africa. I'll make sure of that. Okay, so estimated monthly earnings, don't worry too much about that. That is basically what's at the bottom. What I do want to show you, this is my average estimate video views per day, every single day. And it's increasing. I can tell you that now it's definitely increasing. My subscribers are also increasing, as you can see with this graph. Now, daily averages. So all of my current subscribers watching right now, I first want to say, I appreciate you. Thank you very much for being a loyal subscriber, actually watching my videos, commenting below my videos, as well as sharing my videos. I appreciate you. And if you're brand new, remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, share my videos, comment below. Let me know what you would like for me to create, what video content. Okay, so daily averages, 4 cents to 60 cents per day. Weekly averages, 26 cents to about $4 a week. And in the last 30 days, $1 to $18. Now, if I had to do a calculation of $18, that's why I'm saying my earnings are way more, like almost triple what it's showing on Social Blade. So, but this is a nifty little site just to get an estimate of to what people's earning. So let's say 18 times our currency value. So $18 times roughly about 15 Rand. It says 270 Rand. Now I can tell you it's almost triple that amount, what I earn per month. Okay, so, and it's growing every single day, every single day. Let's go to another guy. I think it's TSeries, if I'm not mistaken. Let's go quickly. TSeries. Okay, so TSeries, as you guys can see, let's head over to YouTube. Let's type in TSeries. I want to show you guys these guys' YouTube channels. So these are all huge YouTube channels. Then I want to also delve down to smaller YouTube channels. I'm going to maybe take 2 or 3 South African YouTubers, give you guys free exposure at the same time. Then, as you can see, this guy's got 119 million subscribers. Okay, TSeries. So if you look at his stats, he's ranked #1 in his country. I think that is India. Yes, India. Based within music. So he makes music. Yeah. So he's within the music industry. There you can see 108 million views per day. 121, 109 million views per day. Now here we go, daily averages. He earns between $27,000 to $432,000 per day, guys. Weekly, let's go to monthly earnings. Between $810,000 to $13 million per month, guys, per month. $13 million per month. Imagine that. In South Africa, that is worth almost 200 million Rand. Look at this guy's increases. Now, that is not the only way for you to actually make money on YouTube. It's just by creating videos. No, once you start either reviewing products, or you start selling something, or you do affiliate marketing, whatever it might be, and people start buying things from you, not only do you earn money from YouTube, but you actually earn money from the purchases or the sales that you make as well. So keep that in mind. These guys don't, I can tell you now, they don't only make money based off this. They make money based off individual sales, lots of things. That's why these guys are living the dream lifestyle, guys. Let's go to Ryan's toy review, I think. I might be mistaken. Let's see if Social Blind's actually going to pick it up. Yes, here we go. So it's actually now called Ryan's World. It used to be Ryan's Toy Reviews or something like that. So this guy, he's a child. He's ranked 36 in the United States, 20th for entertainment rank. So he's a child, and his channel is all about toys reviews and him and his dad and mom doing little class videos and things like that. But he's a child, and look at his estimated earnings. So let's scroll down. This is his views at daily averages. He earns between $7,500 and $119,000 as a kid per day. Come on, guys. Last 30 days, $224,000 to $3.6 million per month. Imagine what these guys earn per year. It's ridiculous. So, I don't want to keep this channel for too long. So let's go to South African YouTuber, for instance, Ronaldo Host, and I'll show you another lady. Guys, I'm giving you guys free exposure here. Ronaldo Host, he's got about 566 uploads. Let's quickly, these are South African YouTubers. So this guy's ranked 161 within South Africa, and he earns roughly per day $3 to $48 within the last 30 days. He earned between $90 to $1,400. South Africa, that is about 15, 16, 17,000 Rand. But like I said, it's double. It's usually double to triple that amount. Okay. And then it all depends on what you sell on your channel as well. So let's take another lady, Jessica. You can see I've searched her before. There's quite a couple of people who are monitor on like a weekly, monthly basis for certain things, tips and tricks. She is ranked, and she does daily vlogging, guys, where she makeups herself and multiple things. So yeah, you can literally look at one of her videos. She's in South Africa, ranked at 230. Her views, daily averages is $2 to about $31. Lots 30 days, it's about $58 to $933. Like I said, you can usually look at an estimate of a double. Okay, so like I said, at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you another source where you can actually make money if you're camera shy and if you really would like to build yourself a sustainable monthly income. Okay, this is the business that I'm part of, and I've been part of this business for years now. I think 3, 4, 5 years, if I'm not mistaken. The bottom left-hand side of your screen, there will be a blue little link. I think this side, a blue little link, which is www.growwitherrol.com, and this is for basically almost anyone around the world. Okay, so it's not specifically country targeted. Yes, it might be in United States dollars, but that's the way it is, guys. Come on, if you earn money, you earn money in United States dollars. So why not? So once you enter that link within your URL, www.growwitherrol.com, you will get to a site which looks very similar to this. What you want to do is, this guy is the owner of this company. His name is Vic Straussius. It tells you, it says here, how I raised myself from zero to making $11,506 per day in affiliate marketing. And this is the honest truth. I can tell you now, because I've been following this guy for a very, very long time. Now, you're not purchasing anything right here. What you want to do is you want to enter, you want to open up. This is going to allow you to watch a free webinar where he's literally sharing his secrets and sharing tips with you of basically how we got there. It's for free. All it requires you to do is enter your first name, your email address, and you will be able to watch the webinar. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you very much. Have an awesome day. Subscribe, share, comment, watch my videos. Let me know what you think. And yeah, especially let me know in the comments below what you would like for me to share in my future upcoming videos. Cheers, guys. Have a fantastic day. Enjoy.